Hey guys, this is Sukanya Rana and I'm the mains head as well as ethics faculty at CivilsDaily. So as you know, CivilsDaily is introducing a 3-day workshop for you guys to take care of all your needs from prelims to mains to strategy to note making and current affairs. So on 12th of November, we are having an exclusive session on mains preparation and the theme would be 10 major steps to make sure that your answer writing aces like a topper. So in this session, what we'll be doing is we'll be focusing upon what are the major needs with respect to your answer writing, what are your do's and don'ts, and also I'll be making sure that I get a lot of topper copies, which through my guidance in the last 3 years with CivilsDaily, that I've worked with multiple toppers like from Ane to Divyansh to Maurya to Seali from Sohan Mandre. So these are all our in-house toppers. So we'll make sure that we pick up their copies, we look at how they make the answers, what kind of content they are drawing in the answers, which is different from other copies. So comparative analysis is also going to be a part of this particular session. So idea is that we've still got few months left for your mains preparation. Till February end is something where you can focus mains preparation. After that, usually people shift to your prelims mode. So till February, we can cover a lot of mains syllabus, we can do a lot of answer writing, which will make sure that our pressure right after prelims is not extended because we've not done answer writing before, right? So this session is all about what needs to be done in the left month, how to utilize them perfectly. Make sure that you go into the description box. You'll find a G form where you can open and register for this link. Once you register for this link, you'll also be provided with a booklet which talks about the major important practices which is necessary for answer writing.